And one of my favorite options is the free Google Forms. And as you can see, they have several templates. For example, people can RSVP to an event. You can gather contact information and so on. So these templates can already get you started. But if you want to customize it completely, you just click on the blank form and you can get started. The great thing here is that you can customize the form. So give it a title, can also add a description, and here we will enter the body of the form. You can add multiple questions by clicking here on the plus sign, and then you can pick the type of answer here. For example, people can enter a short or long answer, multiple choice, checkboxes, drop downs, and they can even upload their own file. Date and time are also options. So for example, we can ask here, what is your favorite dessert? And then people just answer with a short text, and we can add another multiple choice option. What is your favorite dessert topping? And given that it's a multiple choice, we have to add some options. For example, we can add chocolate here. We can add something different popping up. Yes, okay, sorry for that. So we can add several options. For example, we can add ice cream. We can add another option, which is sprinkles. And we can add another question that is a drop down. What is your favorite? Or we can add second favorite even. Favorite dessert topping. And we can enter the options once again. You can toggle this switch to make an answer required. You can remove the question or you can duplicate it. So there are several options. Once your form is complete, you can go to settings and add some specific requirements for it. And to create a link, you just click on the send button, and then you can click this button to create a link and send it to your friends. You can even shorten this URL to make it look nicer. And once people have answered, you can click on the response tabs. And if you have a lot of answers, you can link it to Google Sheets as well to see the replies there. Second free option is Microsoft Forms, and once again we have some templates that you can use, and we can also create a new form which will open in a new tablet or in a new tab. And yeah, once again we have to pick several options. Favorite dessert. We can once again add several options, and there's an AI function that already helped us get started, but we will do it ourselves. So what is your favorite dessert? And people can once again type in their answer. As you can see, the AI offers some options, but I'll add one myself where people can indicate their favorite dessert topping. It's sprinkles, ice cream. We can change the order by using these arrows, and we can remove it using the trash bin. We could add another question if we want to. So this is actually quite similar to Google Forms. You can adjust the style here, create a preview, and if you want to create answers, you have to log in. But if you click this button, you should be able to generate a link as well. And as you can see, these form builders of Google and Microsoft are quite basic. You can create forms with them, but they don't look that special, and they also don't have conditional formatting that allow you to switch or change the questions based on previous answers. For example, if someone mentions that they don't like dessert toppings, you don't have to ask them what their favorite is, because they don't like them. So you can skip questions or move to other questions and so on. And to do this, we can use Typeform, which is another form builder. In most instances, you will have to pay if you want to gather more than 10 responses. So once again, we have an AI option. You can also qualify leads if you're in a sales process, but we're going to start from scratch. And this system also have nicer looking designs and more options. For example, we have standard options such as the famous Net Promoter Score. You can add cool welcome screens, statements. So it offers a lot more options, even payments. You can link it to Calendly if you want to make it optional to schedule a meeting with you. And there are several ways to gather information from the person that replies as well. So let's start with a short text. Okay, what is your favorite dessert topping? Okay, people can answer. Here you can make it required and even limit the amount of characters that people can add. And you can even add images to the background to make it come alive. So this form builder is more interactive than the other ones. You can even add a lot of options. So design-wise, you can make it look cooler. And as I mentioned before, you can add logic where people can skip certain questions if they're not relevant. And you can even use it to score replies if you want to do that. And even bring in external data to personalize the questions. Okay, so but let's keep adding another question. A multiple choice one this time. What's favorite dessert? And as we did before, we just enter the choices here. Ice cream. Add another choice and so on. So we could keep doing this. Can also collect emails, phone numbers, longer text, videos even, which is really nice. And you can also add a cool ending. For example, you want to thank your customers for filling in the form, and you can even redirect them to your website once again. So Typeform costs more money, but as you can see, it's more customizable if you really want to do advanced forms. There are cheaper alternatives such as Jotform, but I really like Typeform because it has been proven and it's been around for several years. So we have looked at the best ways of creating forms in 2024, from Google Forms, Microsoft Forms to Typeforms. Have a great day and see you in the next video.